Good day. Here's your planning briefing that's recorded on May 26th. Some of the impacts that we're expecting this week are from warm temperatures. So most places haven't even reached 80 degrees, and looks like by at least the end of the week we'll have a lot of 80s and then 90s into the week and the weekend. And then the other piece of the puzzle is some thunderstorms. It looks like we'll have a few days of chances for thunderstorms. As we approach Saturday, that looks like when we'll probably have the strongest storms. And right now it looks like north central Idaho is most likely to have the strongest storms, but western Montana could also see strong storms. So here, let's take a look at this morning's satellite image. This is water vapor. Some of the yellows are showing drier air. Blue and white show more moist air. We currently have a little weather system that's moving through right now, so continued showers and such. And here's our high pressure that's down south. This is what's going to move into the forecast area by the end of the week. There's a low pressure system out here way off the coast, and that one will move up just behind the high pressure, and this will probably be the main feature of why we end up getting stronger thunderstorms. Another thing to point out is there's a lot of moisture that's heading toward us. So it looks like even though we'll have high pressure built into us, we'll probably still have cloud cover for the end of the week, maybe even some showers each afternoon, and maybe even a couple of thunderstorms that we don't currently have in the forecast, so we'll have to see how things change as we warm up. Looking at the overall weather pattern, looking at the weather models so we can see how things transition. This is looking at about 18,000 feet, just showing arrows for the wind, and then these lines will show either our ridges or troughs. So as we move forward from today, Tuesday, we see this weak little short wave that gets out of here, and we start to see high pressure build into us on Wednesday. It's still not quite into us, so maybe a few showers are possible. Thursday, though, the ridge moves over us. Should be quite a warm day. And on Friday, the ridge builds even more on top of us. Saturday is when we start to see this low approach, and so when this energy gets up into our forecast area, that's when we should see some thunderstorms develop. And then that weakness or trough here hangs around for the rest of the weekend, so we'll cool down a little bit, but still above normal on temperatures, but we'll still have thunderstorm chances and showers. So looking at high temperatures, on Thursday, a lot of places work their way into the 80s. Some of the lower elevations of central Idaho, north central Idaho will get into the 90s. A lot of 70s and 80s in western Montana. On Friday, a lot of 80s and 90s. This is when we could end up seeing 90 for the first time as well. And then looking at some of our minimum humidity, it doesn't look overly dry, but we will see a lot of 20s, maybe possibly a couple pockets down in southwest Montana where we could have minimum humidity in the teens. Then looking out May 31st through June 4th, 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. It looks like high pressure moves off to the east like we were looking at, so some moisture moves in and we get right on the edge where we could be above or could be below average for our precipitation, but we still have maybe just a little bit warmer air over us, so we probably will stay above average on our temperatures. As for the threat matrix, don't really have anything highlighted for Wednesday. Going with just low for heat because we'll be about 10 degrees above average on Thursday. Thunderstorm chances, and again some warmer temperatures Friday. We'll go with orange for pretty good chances for thunderstorms and pretty hot for this time of year. And then we'll continue just a little bit of a heat message in southwest Montana for Sunday, but everyone else will be more of a wind and thunderstorm look. There's still some question on which day is going to be widespread breezy, but Sunday right now looks like it has the potential to have some extra wind. If you need anything from us, please let us know.